Hey everybody, we're bending an 1 3/4 095 wall tube with the Pro Tools 105 heavy duty tube and pipe bender. It's dirt simple to set up. Load the center die and strap, toss in the material, lubricate and load the counter bend die, tighten the tension bolt, and pop on the degree indicator. Takes about a minute to do all that, seconds if you're just loading the material in the bender. The ratcheting mechanism on the 105 generates enough power to bend up to 2-inch round tube, 1.5 inch pipe, and 1.5 inch square tube. It's perfect for bending steel, stainless, chromoly, aluminum, and others. You can also convert the bender to hydraulic power at any time to eliminate the workout. Bend a little past 180 for springback and pop the material out. In minutes, we got a perfect 180-degree bend. The 105 HD comes in a package with the bender, degree plate, pointer, stand, and extension handle, or you can get the bender and degree plate as a standalone unit and fabricate the other components yourself. Tooling is sold separately. We offer hundreds of different dies for bending round tube, square tube, and pipe. We can also make custom tooling for sizes, radiuses, and profiles outside of our normal catalog. Each die comes with a center former or main die, steel counterbending die or backing block, and U-strap. High-strength plastic counterbending dies are optional to minimize scratching on soft or polished materials. There are a few extras we offer to go with the 105. First is our industrial degree ring. CNC machined from 3/8 cold-rolled steel, the industrial degree ring comes with a stop guide to enhance accuracy and repeatability when making multiples of the same part. Second is a tube rotation gauge. When making multiple bends in a single part, the tube rotation gauge helps ensure that bends stay on the same plane or accurately measures part rotation when making off-plane bends. Next is a specially formulated bending lubricant that protects your material from excessive scratching or galling and your counterbending die from premature wear. It's water soluble to make cleanup and weld prep a breeze. Finally, BendTech software is a design and layout program that virtually eliminates the learning curve of tube bending. Simply plug dimensions into a library of templates or mock up your own with the intuitive design interface. BendTech will tell you how long to cut your material and where to mark your bend locations. From the savings in scrap material, it usually pays for itself on your first project. Check out our website to learn more about the Pro Tools 105 Heavy Duty Tube and Pipe Bender, and always feel free to reach out to our team with any questions or order help. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product overviews and metal fabrication tips.